Hi Geometry. This is a continuation of Unit 5, Lesson 8's notes, and we're going to look at number 3 on this page and solve it. So let's take a quick look. It says a cone has a surface area of 360 pi inches squared. So this is my original area. And it says that the volume is 800 pi inches cubed. So this is my original volume. The cone is dilated. When it's dilated, it looks like it's getting bigger. The dilated surface area is 2,250 pi inches squared. So this is the image area. And it's asking me what is the dilated cone's volume. So I'm trying to find the image volume. So I know this is a two-step equation because it doesn't talk to me about what K is. So my first step 1, is to find K. And to do that, I need to look at my given information. What allows me to write a complete equation where I could solve for K? And I notice that I'm given both the original and the image area. I could write an area equation for this problem. So going with the equations we've been using in class, the image area, which is 2,250 pi, is equal to K squared, because I'm writing an area equation, times the original area, I'm going to write into my words a little bit, of 360 pi. So now I need to solve for K. So I'm going to divide both sides by 360 pi. And when I do that, my pi's cancel, my 360 pi's cancel. And I get K squared is equal to 6.25. And then I take the square root of both sides to finally find that K equals 2.5. So my cone is getting 2.5 times bigger. This now allows me to do step 2. In step 2, this is where I find what the problem is asking for. Remember, the problem wants to know my image volume. So now I'm going to write the volume equation. So I know that my image volume, which is what I'm trying to find, is equal to my scale factor cubed, which is the 2.5 cubed, times my original volume, which was 800 pi. So I'm going to do on my calculator 2.5 cubed. I'm going to multiply that times the 800, and I get 12,500 pi inches cubed. You're welcome to multiply 12,500 by pi and also give me that decimal answer. That would be fine as well. So let's take a look at the next. So these are two problems that I'd like you to add to the bottom of page 574. So in just a moment, I'd like you to copy these down. The work, the steps are in our folder on practice 8 filled in, so I want you to try them both. Before I leave you with this video though, I do want to mention the 3 pounds of dog food. That is the amount of dog food that fills the bag. So that, for instance, would be an original volume. You're talking about the amount of dog food in the bag. So, problem 8. A pet company makes a small bag that holds 3 pounds of dog food. They want to create a large bag that holds 24 pounds. If the small bag is 10 inches tall, how tall is the big bag? So this is a two-step problem where you'll use the 3 and the 24 to find your K. And once you know your K, you can use that to help you find out how tall the large bag is. Number 9, let's take a look at that problem. So a cone has a surface area of 255 pi inches squared and a volume of 320 pi inches cubed. So that's my original surface area, my original volume. It goes on to say the cone is dilated and the image surface area is 1,020 pi inches squared. What is the dilated cone's volume? So again, I'm going to use some of the information I'm given to find my K, step 1. And then step 2, I'm going to find what my problem's asking for, which is the volume. Again, the solutions for both of these can be found in our folder in Unit 5, Lesson 8, Practice Filled In. So try them, see what you get, and go check your answers. Good luck.